Unlocking savings, the power of price matching. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very practical phrase that can save you money while shopping. Do you price match? This simple question can unlock savings and ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Let's break it down together. Price matching is a policy some stores offer, where they match the lower price of an item if you find it being sold for less at a different retailer. By asking, "Do you price match?" you're essentially inquiring whether the store will reduce their price to match the price found elsewhere. It's a savvy shopping strategy that encourages stores to compete for your business. Understanding and using the phrase, "Do you price match?" can be incredibly beneficial. It not only helps you save money but also makes you a more informed and empowered consumer. Retailers often have specific policies about price matching, including which competitors they'll match prices with and what proof is required. Knowing to ask this can lead to significant savings with minimal effort. When you found a lower price for an item at another store, approach customer service or the checkout at the store where you're shopping and politely ask, "Do you price match?" Be prepared to show proof of the lower price, such as a flyer, a printout, or a web page on your phone. Remember, the key is to be polite and patient. Not all employees may be familiar with their store's policy, and not all items may be eligible for price matching. Let's put this into practice with a scenario. Imagine you're shopping for a new blender and find it at store A for $100. Later, you discover store B is selling the same model for $80. Armed with this knowledge, you return to store A and ask, "Do you price match?" showing them the advertised price from store B. If store A has a price matching policy, they may sell you the blender for $80, matching store B's price. Do you price match? Is more than just a question. It's a powerful tool in your shopping arsenal. We hope this video helps you understand its significance and encourages you to use it on your next shopping trip. Saving money is great, but becoming a more confident English speaker and shopper is even better. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.